Today I'm going to be showing you how to make zucchini linguine in your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the website 365daysofcrockpot.com, where I share Instant Pot and slow cooker recipes with you for every day of the year. And over here on YouTube, I try to share something with you Instant Pot each week. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite pasta dishes that I make in the summer, and it is, we call it zucchini linguine. And this recipe came from many years ago, maybe 25 years ago, my mom cutting out the recipe that she found in a magazine while she was getting her hair done. Original recipe was on the stovetop, and I've since learned how to make it in the Instant Pot because that's what I do. So today I'm going to be showing you this simple and easy recipe. It's perfect for summer right now. We have a lot of zucchini going on in our gardens or your neighbors. That's how I got mine. My neighbor next door brought over a bunch of zucchinis yesterday, so that's what I'm using today. And it is just a fabulous, easy recipe. So first thing you want to do is pour a cup of broth into your Instant Pot and then put a pound of chicken breast. Now you can see that mine are frozen, and you can use frozen or fresh, it's up to you. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on top of those chicken breasts. Now we're cooking the pasta at the same time, but not in the same dish. Take a trivet. If you have a long-legged one, that works great, or you can just use a regular trivet. That will also work. I'm going to put it over the top of the chicken, and then I'm going to carefully lower this dish. You can see I have 10 ounces of linguine noodles in 3 cups of water, and then I'm just going to put the lid on top of that dish. Now seal up the pot, make sure valve is set to sealing, and then set your manual button or your pressure cook button depending on what model you have, and turn it to 12 minutes for frozen chicken or 10 minutes for thawed chicken, and it is on high pressure. When the time is up, I let this pot sit for another 10 minutes, and then I removed any remaining pressure. And I'm going to take off the lid and remove the noodles. Just be careful because it's going to be hot. The pot to the saute setting. So I'm going to cancel it and then push saute. And I'm going to discard this chicken broth. I know a lot of people like to use it for, they like to save it and use it for another recipe, so you can definitely do that. One good thing to do is freezing it in jars or containers, so definitely that is a good option. I'm going to let that pot heat up, and while it's heating up, I'm going to slice the chicken. Now, let me show you the best way to get tender chicken bites. Is you're going to take it and you're going to slice across the grain. So the grain is going pretty much this way, so you want to cut it this way. And that way it will be a lot more tender. Pot's hot, you can add in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And we're going to just saute that. And then we're going to add in about, I don't know, a cup or 2 of this zucchini. And I grated up 1.5 pounds of zucchini. And then we're going to just cover that in some of the oil. And then once it's kind of coated in that oil, you're going to add in the rest of the zucchini. I've just let this kind of saute for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn off my Instant Pot. And then I'm going to take out this inner liner. I'm just going to set it on a hot pad. And then I'm going to add in my noodles, which I've drained. And they're kind of sticking together, but in the end it will be okay. And I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, cup of grated cheddar cheese. I'm going to add the chicken in. 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Then we're going to just toss this all together, and then it will be ready to serve and to eat. And sometimes I use a huge bowl, this big pasta bowl that I have,
and I toss it in that. But today I was like, I don't want to clean another dish. We're going to just toss it straight in the Instant Pot liner. So this is such a fun dish because the zucchini acts as kind of like a noodle, but you still have regular noodles in there as well. So you feel like you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting some vegetables, you're getting some actual pasta, and it's just a creamy, tangy, delicious pasta dish. I know you're going to love this one.
Thank you so much for joining me today. We will see you next week on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.